Seriously, if you've ever felt like physics is this elite club reserved only for naturally gifted math geniuses, we're going to throw that idea right out the window today. Physics is for the curious. So we're going to build a systematic approach to learning that will completely, totally change how you look at the subject.
Okay, moving to section 1, the physics brain freeze. Let's face our main enemy here. You know the exact feeling, right? You sit down, you're super motivated, you crack open a textbook, and then you just stare at these dense paragraphs and intimidating diagrams. You read a single page, blink, and literally hit a brick wall. It's like your brain's internal computer just blue screened on you. So wait, why does this actually happen? Well, it's mostly because you're trying to process way too many abstract concepts all at the exact same time.
And, well, we all know exactly what happens next. Instead of studying, you get totally derailed. Fast forward 30 minutes and you're deep, deep down a video rabbit hole watching some super detailed animation about, what would happen to gravity if the Earth was shaped like a giant donut, which is entertaining. Oh, for sure. But your homework is sitting there completely untouched. We have got to break this cycle. To fix this, we have to make the abstract feel physical. You've got to start using lab experiment tricks right at your desk. Try mapping out motion with simple stickman doodles. Or, actually, scratch that. Even better, physically act out the forces. Grab a bottle cap or just use your phone and literally push it across the table. Also, when you're taking notes, color code everything. Make your forces red, make energy blue, and motion green. It's a real game changer because your brain will remember those simple color categories way after it forgets the specific vocabulary.
Which brings us to section 2, the 5-second formula breakdown. This is a massive focus for us today.
We really need to stop that brain freeze dead in its tracks. Because, let's be honest, when you see a standard kinematic equation like V equals U plus AT, your brain probably just goes into full panic mode. It looks like alphabet soup, right? Like pure math witchcraft that's specifically designed to make you fail your next exam.
But let's apply our 5-second formula breakdown. We take that witchcraft and turn it into a plain English power-up. V equals U plus AT is actually just telling you a story. Translated, it just means your final speed is simply your starting speed plus whatever acceleration you added over a certain amount of time. And that's it. When you just take 5 little seconds to translate a formula into everyday conversational English, your brain kind of relaxes and goes, oh, okay, I can actually do that. So once you've translated the formula, you need to treat every single question like a mystery. You got to study like Sherlock Holmes. Ask yourself, what is the real story here? Who is moving? What invisible forces are secretly pulling the strings in the background? By looking at the problem as a mystery to solve, rather than just some boring mathematical chore, you're activating a much more engaged, active part of your brain.
All right, moving right along to section 3, our other major focus for today, the 3-step question decoder.
So what exactly do you do when you're hit with those overly wordy problems that are obviously designed to trip you up? You use this 3-step question decoder to cut right through the noise. Step 1, draw it out. Literally convert the words into a quick diagram. Step 2, list your known values. Just underline the numbers in the text and match them up to your symbols. And step 3, pick the core concept. Is this a motion problem, a force problem, or an energy problem? And boom! Once you've decoded the question into those 3 really simple pieces, your diagram, your numbers, and your core concept, all that confusion is just gone. You've stripped away all the completely unnecessary fluff. And now you can attack the problem with your plain English formula like an absolute boss.
Next up, section 4, speedruns and brain hacks. Now that you've got the decoder down, how do we actually train your reflexes? Because understanding it is only half the battle, right? The other half is speed. So don't just sit there passively reading over your notes. You've got to do a chapter speed run. Set a timer for 20 minutes and just try to solve as many different types of problems as you possibly can. If you get stuck on one, just mark it and move on immediately. Then when the timer goes off, spend 10 minutes really deeply reviewing those mistakes. Doing this is absolutely crucial for building those sharp reflexes you're going to need for test day. And to really lock all that hard-earned knowledge into your memory, you can layer in some actual science-backed brain hacks. Try chewing a really specific flavor of gum while you're studying, and then chew that exact same flavor during your exam. It actually triggers contextual memory. Also, listen to lo-fi beats without any lyrics to help you hyper-focus. And my absolute favorite one, quickly revise your toughest concepts right before you go to sleep. Your brain will literally process and file away that information while you're snoozing. How cool is that? You can also supercharge this whole system using the right study apps. I highly recommend using PhET interactive simulations. They're these completely free online tools that let you physically play around with invisible forces on your screen. And then pair that with an app like Anki for active recall flashcards. Just drop those plain English formulas we talked about right into Anki, and the app's algorithm makes sure you literally never forget them. Tools like these take incredibly rigid topics and make them feel as dynamic and fun as playing a video game.
Finally, Section 5, Fight Gravity with Knowledge. Here is the absolute crucial takeaway from this entire explainer. Physics isn't just for the quote-unquote smart kids. Success in physics is for relentless learners who figure out the right strategy. If you just follow this next-level learning cycle, everything changes. First, see it using visual tricks. Then, understand it by breaking down the formulas into 5-second English translations. Third, test it using the 3-step decoder. Fourth, explain it right there on your desk. And finally, repeat. When you do this, complex concepts completely stop feeling like a chore and actually become a pretty engaging puzzle.
I want you to really keep this in mind. If you currently think physics is super boring or just way too hard, you honestly just haven't learned it your way yet. You really don't need to be a genius. You just need the right system. And now, well, you've got the Underground toolkit to build exactly that. So it's time to actually put all of this into practice. Are you ready to fight gravity with knowledge? I want you to look at the world around you, find your very first physics mystery, and start decoding. If you're ready to embrace the challenge, let's dive in.